So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Coinbase. So we have the app loaded up here in real time. So let's just go ahead and show you. With this demo account, we have about 1774 in here. So what we can actually go ahead and do is click the middle icon towards the very bottom. Right over here, it has those two arrows on the sides. Brings up a bunch of options. The very bottom option says add cash or cash out. So if we click on here, we see the cash out option for us. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, and it's going to let us choose how much we want to put in. At the very top, it'll tell you how much you currently have available to withdraw. So for this demo account, we got $4.51. So if we wanted to, let's just go and say, pull out half of that. So we want to do 225. We can go ahead and do that. And then it'll tell you what account it is currently connected to. You can click on here and switch the different accounts right over here. You can even add a card if you needed to as well. Now it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to have that money pulled back into the account you have on file. So just something to keep in mind. And then if everything looks good, we can click on preview cash out. So right over here, it'll just confirm all the information for you. And if it all looks good, click on cash out now. And just like that, you withdrew your money from Coinbase. Now, if you're interested in checking out other crypto platforms like BlockFi, check out my video right over here to learn more. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.